Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is ROOP SANDHU and today I'll show you my top 5 maroon lipsticks. Now these are my absolute favorite, and let me just tell you that I like my dark lipsticks to be extremely matte, and these are exactly the same. So I have 2 high-end lipsticks and 3 drugstore, which is a nice balance. So first I'll do the swatches on my arm and try to explain you the shades individually, and then I'll do it on my lips so that you can see how they look on my face. So these lipsticks are appropriate for all skin types, so no worries. Before we jump into more details, please click on subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I put a new video. And now let's start. First is by LAKME LUXE range, and the shade is called Royal Flame. This is a brownish maroon shade. This is extremely matte and it needs 2 to 3 swipes on lips to get a best result. Next lipstick is by MAC, and this is called DIVA. It's a matte lipstick. The swatch that you see is a single swipe, so the coverage is really good. This is one of my top favorite lipstick. It's a blue tone maroon lipstick, and this is going to suit all skin type and all age group. Next is Copenhagen by NYX. It's a beautiful shade. This is maroon with a hint of pink. To get a nice coverage, you'll need 2 swipes on lips, and this one is single swipe. This is very comfortable on lips and it stays for up to 5 hours. Next we have GALA of London. The shade is called Blush, and this is a brownish maroon lipstick. It dries down extremely matte. These are non-transferable and stays for really long. Next lipstick is by HUDA Beauty, and this is called Famous. It looks beautiful on lips. It gives a nice coverage in single swipe. These transfer very little and very comfortable to wear, and the fragrance is bomb, and these are easily available in India. And now let's see how they look on my face. So these are my top 5 maroon lipsticks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please click on subscribe right now.